Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Pixel 9, Pixel 9a or any of the Google Pixel smartphones to the latest Android 16 to get the latest and the best software features on your device. So here we go. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi or you have unlimited mobile data plan. After that, all you have to do is go to the settings, then scroll down, go to the system, just tap on that, and here you will find an option called software updates. Just tap on this, then tap on system update, and it will start checking whether any software update is available for your device or not. And here you can see that the Android 16 update is available for my Google Pixel 9 Pro here. If you want to see what are the new features that this particular software update is going to bring to your smartphone, here is the changelog, and you can see that it is 1.47 GB in size for my Pixel 9 Pro. So all I have to do now is just tap on download and install button, and here you can see that system update is being downloaded. So you will have to just wait for a while. So downloading of the software package is completed and the optimization of the device is going on. So the optimization is completed, and now all you have to do is either tap on restart now, or you can schedule it to restart after 2 AM at night when you are not using the device. So I'm just going to tap on the restart now button. Now the device will restart, reboot, and the downloaded software package will be fully installed on our Pixel 9 Pro, and after that we will have the Android 16 on our device. And as you can see, we got some new features. First one is the Pixel VIPs. Then we got the option to create custom stickers in Gboard and expressive captions. If you go to tips, then you will find more information. I will make a separate video about all of the new features that Android 16 is going to bring to the Pixel smartphones. But in this video, I just wanted to show you that how you can update the Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9, Pixel 9a or any of the Pixel smartphone to the latest Android 16. If I just tap on skip, and then if we go to the settings and then to the system, you can see the Android version is 16 now, and we got the latest Android security patch of June 2025. So this is how you can update your Pixel smartphones to the latest Android 16 to get all of the new and best Android features on your device. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.